Hey guys, back at it again with another YouTube tutorial on how to make an airplane. It's been a long time, but I'm a little rusty. But I come up with 4 new airplane models that I made, and I hope you guys like it. And today's tutorial we're going to be doing this. Okay, we're going to be showing you how to do that. In this tutorial, there wasn't much to do. Believe it or not, this took me one try to make. One try, people. And I'm really proud of it. Alright, let's get to it. You're gonna need to fold from the right to the left. And what you want to do next, you're going to open it up, flip it the other way around, flip it backside, and you're going to do creases from the top. Like a regular airplane. Next, you're going to flip it to the backside, and you're going to make a crease that's going to connect from the top of this to the bottom, guys. And you're gonna do the same thing to this end, making sure this point is crisp. Then you're gonna fold this down until you can match the bottom ends. It's gonna look like a triangle. And what you want to do next is you're gonna put this at the bottom. Make sure so you don't see it like that. Then what you want to do next is you're gonna fold this until there's a straight line. It can't be this way or this way. It has to be straight. And we're gonna do the same thing to this end. So these ends match. What you want to do next, you want to fold this and flip it. It's gonna look like that, and you're gonna fold this end like so. what you want to do next is you want to cross to the left, make a crease like that from a straight line. Do the same thing to the other side, fold it to the right, and what you want to do next is, oh yeah, and we're then next, once you've done this, we'll make sure you see when you flip it, you're gonna have this flap. You're gonna wanna make a line that connects the flaps together. Then next, what you wanna do is you're gonna take this end and you insert it into the flap. So you make a little hole or a cone, if you will. Gonna do the same thing to this. What you want to do next is final step. Doesn't have to be perfect to fly. It just has to work once. And there you have it. And when you fly this thing, make sure you keep the flaps like so, upside, so they fly pretty good when you have this curve. Now if you have an airplane that has these, like a little rectangle, that's fine. It actually works better if you have it. Okay, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm Eddi Reich, signing off.